All right. Welcome, boys. Today we're gonna be back testing an ICT turtle soup model in FX Replay. It's the model that I personally trade, and here I have a checklist, and here I have an execution from today. A little choppy. We got stopped out, but then we had the opportunity to re-enter and then hit both of take profits. So that's the power of risk management. So here is the backtesting checklist. So first we got identify a 15-minute range, wait for a low or a high to get taken. We wait for a tap into a key level and we enter in the turtle soup. You can wait for a 5-second change in state of delivery or enter in the turtle soup. That's however you want to do it. So I'll see you guys in FX Replay. All right, now we're here inside FX Replay and we're going to be back testing a random week of March of this year. So I'm going to be skipping to the next New York session. So now it's Tuesday and we're going to wait for a range to form. So now we have a range. We have a range here, so we're going to wait for the high or the low to get taken. It looks like we're forming a new range. So we now have a range inside of another range, correct? So we can take trades this way too. So, and we're tapping into a 15-minute fair value gap and we have a rejection block above. So I'm going to be placing my short position there. My stop above the rejection block. Take profit at the end of the range. I'll move my stops to break even if we go past that low. So we went past the low, so I can now protect my position. And we get stopped out at break even, so it looks like the first trade was a break even. So let's go to the next New York session. Let's go into the 15-minute. We're going to wait for a range to form. All right, we have a range now. Let's wait for the range to get broken. Looks like the low's gonna get break. We wait. We gotta be patient. Alright, we now break the range. Let's see if we have a fit. So we're inside this 15-minute fair value gap, as well as all these rejection blocks. So I will take my trade there. Stops below. We do have news coming up, so I want to place my break even before news even happen. We can take profit at these highs and then at the end of the range. So let's see. I can now protect my position. So we have news coming and we hit full take profit. All right, let's go to the next New York session, into the 15-minute time frame. And let's wait for a range to form, which we did. We have a range here, range high, range low. We already took, or we're about to take it, the range low. Let's be patient. So we take the range low. Let's see if we have any higher time for PD arrays. So it looks like we do have a key level here. That's going to be my key level. That's where I will place my position. CE, half of the range will be my take profit. So right here, second take profit over here. Let's place the trade. We almost got stopped out and we hit first take profit, which is half of the range. So we take off 50%, move my stop to break even, and we get stopped in profit. So let's go to the next New York session. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Wait for a range to form, which we did make one. So now we just wait for the low or the high to get taken. So we'll be patient. It looks like it's going to be the low or not. We're still here. We're waiting for the low or the high to get taken. So what happened is we are at the end of the day, so we can't trade anymore. So let's actually take a look at the results that we have. So we took a total of 3 trades, 1 break even, 2 wins, 100% win rate for the week. We made a total of 3% gain. It looks like our average RR was 2. The max RR was 2.68. So yeah, these are the results. However, don't be lied to yourself. This model does not have 100% win rate. No model has 100% win rate. So by the time that you start taking more trades and more trades, this number will decrease. So I would say that for around 50 trades, this model has a possibility of having a 60 to 70% win rate. It is still very good because the average risk to reward is 2. So backtest this for yourself. And now I will show you guys the execution that I took today. using this exact model. Alright, so we are here in TradingView, and this is the trade I took today, which was a winner, using the exact same model. So we went to the 15-minute range. So we found a 15-minute range, which was right here. There we go. So this was the original range. So I waited for the high of the range to get taken, which we did right here. Then I looked for a 15-minute PDA. Which was this low right here. So it was a breaker on the higher time frame. That was my high time frame PDA, as well as equilibrium of the CPI candle. So this here is exactly 0.5 of the whole CPI candle, which was another confluence. So I went in for the trade as whenever we tapped into the high time frame PDA, I placed my stop like at CE of the PDA, and then as you can see, I got stopped out, but I had conviction that we were gonna have a turtle soup, so I re-entered once we tapped CE of the PDA. So I went in right here at the close of this candle, my stop again above the CE, and take profits at half of the range, and then last take profits were at these equal lows. So my entry was right here, stop above CE again, first take profit half of the range, so it was a 3.4 risk to reward where we took profits, and then last take profit was at the equal lows that we formed before. And that was the trade I took today, using the exact same concept and the exact same model. So I want you guys to backtest this for yourself, and I take these every day with my private Discord. So if you want to join my private Discord, feel free to. You use code TikTok if you want free access to it, and the link will be in the description of this video. So I will see you guys in the next one.